It is given that fx equal to 2 ln 3x minus 4 for x greater than a. So we need to write out the least possible value of a. So we know that the value of ln x, the x must greater than 0. Why? Because if we have ln 1, it is 0, and then ln 10 is some number, and we have ln 0.1, okay, but if we have ln 0, max error. So x cannot be 0, and ln negative also max error. So for this question, the 3x minus 4 must greater than 0, then the x must greater than 4 over 3. So the a is 4 over 3. Next, we need to find out the range of the fx. So we know that the graph for ln is like this. Okay, so we use the Desmos to draw the graph ln here, ln x. So you can see the graph is like this. Okay, so this range will be the f is the real number, or I can say that the f is from negative infinity until infinity, or I just write real number, that also can. Real number does mean all the value here. Okay, domain is the x greater than 4 over 3. It's given that we have the equation fx equal to f inverse have two solutions, and you do not need to solve this equation. Using your answer to part A, sketch the graph of y equal to fx and the y equal to f inverse x on the axis below, stating the coordinate of the point where the graph meet the axis. Okay, so for this one, okay, we know that we will have an asymptote here. This asymptote is the 4 over 3. Okay, because this one x is greater than 4 over 3. As well as we have asymptote for the f inverse here. This one also 4 over 3. Okay, and then if you have the fx equal to 0, so fx equal to 0, then that means we have the ln 3x minus 4 equal to 0. So 3x minus 4 equal to e to the power 0. 3x equal to 1 plus 4, that is 5. So x equal to 5 over 3. So the graph here, it will touch the point y equal to 5 over 3. So the graph is something like this. Okay. Then it will touch the 5 over 3 here. And then we have this one. Also, this one is 5 over 3. Okay. Because we know that this is 5 over 3, 0. Then this one will be the 0, 5 over 3. The AB become BA. We have the AB here. Here will become BA. And it will reflected in the line y equal to x here. So we have a y equal to x here. Then the intersect at the y equal to x. This is the fx, and this is the f inverse of x. So we have the 2 ln 3x minus 4. 2 ln 3x minus 4. So we have the 2 ln 3x minus 4. So you can see this one is the 5 over 3. And we have the inverse. So inverse, we have the y equal to this one. If we want to find the inverse, we will say that let fy equal to x, fy equal to x, then f inverse of x equal to what? So we have the 2 ln 3y minus 4 equal to x, then the ln 3y minus 4 equal to x over 2. 3y minus 4 is e to the power x over 2. Then y will be the e to the power x over 2 plus 4 over 3. So ex plus 4 over 3. So we have the e power x and then over 3 plus 4. And then this is x over 2. And this one, we have the y equal to x here. So they intersect at 2 points. This is the 503 and the negative 503 here. So the graph is something like this. Okay, it's similar to what I draw here. Okay, what I draw here is something like this. Okay, in our syllabus, the graph for exponent and ln and quadratic, cubic, reciprocal, we must know their shape and their domain and range. For this question, we look at the answer scheme here. So, part C here, correct shape for the y equal to fx in the first and the fourth quadrant. So we have the shape, this one. And then we have the 5 per 3, 0. And then this one. And the inverse must be correct shape in the quadrant 1 and 2. And the 0, 5 over 3 is in the first and second quadrant. Okay, then you can get 4 marks here. D, it is given that gx is this one. So we want to find the ggx. Then it's g2x minus 3. Then 2x minus 3 minus 3. So we have this one. We substitute into here. Then we have the 4x minus 6 minus 3. Then it's 4x minus 9. Okay. Hence, we want to solve the fggx equal to 4. So the fggx, okay, is equal to the f, we put in the 4x minus 9 inside. That is 2 ln 3 4x minus 9 minus 4. Then 2 ln 12x minus 27 minus 4. Then it's 2 ln 12x minus 31. Okay. We want to give the exact solution for this one. So we have this one equal to 4. So that means this is equal to 4. Then we will have the ln 12x minus 31 equal to 2. So 12x minus 31 equal to e squared. So 12x equal to e squared plus 31. Then the x will be the e squared plus 31 over 12. This one, they want us to write in exact form. So we can leave the answer like this. Okay. Otherwise, we have to find out the value. Okay.